Hello, sir.
Hello.
So, please introduce your company and what products you manufacture.
Yeah, I am Rajesh Sutati from Sumax Enterprises Private Limited. We are a service provider for auto component and machine tool components to be manufactured for the OEMs and other people. So we work on right from very small volume products up to very high volume products also. And we are our main customers are like John Deere and Parker Hennepin. We are also supplying to ASB International for the machine parts.
Okay. So, starting from the beginning, what challenges you are facing before implementing our broaching machine?
Yeah, we had two other broaching machines which were working for the last 15 years with us. But we were facing problems of continuous accuracy issues, like there would be alignment problems in the machine, and things like there's no consistency in the accuracy. And that is when we approached Fortune.
So, now it's been more than 1.5 years. Our machine is running in at your plant. So, what advantages or what are the key features you noticed regarding our machine performance, accuracy, or service support, all that things?
Yeah, basically last 1.5 years we are uh, um making those parts on your machine, and we found that the rigidity of the machine is very good. So it holds its the required geometrical tolerances very closely, and we have never faced any alignment issues, whereas initially we had discussed that every 6 months we might have to align the machine again and again. But since last 1.5 years we have not aligned the machines once also, because we are not facing any issues. Hopefully these things will not come in the future. I'm very confident that these issues will not come, because the machine is very rigid and it is built with accuracies.
So, regarding your after broaching components, what advantages you have noticed regarding the productivity or cost saving, etc. All this.
Yeah, basically productivity is not just by output of the part. The part has to be very, it has to fall within the accuracy limits, as well as based on the required volume, the other unproductive time which is lost in one, as I said, setting up the machine. Second is achieving accuracies. Third is consistency in the accuracy. So here I would like to state that our parts have been very consistent on the accuracy front. So we get a good productivity mainly because of that, because our parts are very critical,
Hmm.
and they have run out close tolerances, face run out, and OD run out tolerances with respect to the broaching, which is already finished before broaching operation. So that has to be maintained.
Okay.
So that way we can say the machine is very productive.
And lastly, would you recommend Fortune Machine and Tools to other manufacturers? And if yes, what you like the most about us?
Yeah, we have in the last 1.5 years we have already recommended these machines to other people for because of the accuracy levels, and also the construction, the rigidity of the machine is very good. So we have recommended in a lot of places. and we will do so in future also. Thank you.
Thank you for
Thank you.
giving your time,
Thank you.
and we are always pleased to have a customer like you. And since 15 years, we are into this business of broaching machines and broaching tools manufacturing. We are continuous developing our in-house infrastructure for manufacturing critical broaches to broaching machines of helical surface broaching machines and other precision broaching machines. So our aim is to have one-stop broaching solution and to serve globally. Thank you.